my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My Obonga people, today's topic like about Koko Foundation, That's our brother, they really help people, they really try for your own little way, they really try. I don't say people see the support him, but they really they try. They always they pray for him, So one day
Koko Foundation say you want help me. First, he give them one guy 50,000 to give me. Make them go buy clothes for me. The guy carry the money, buy clothes, and give me the remaining money. He say anything I want, he go do one for me. So that I no go the waka like this. What you want me make I help you? I say I need the electric wheelchair because this man no get power to drive normal one. He promised me. Then use me, Koko Foundation. Say you want help me. First, he give them one guy 50,000 to give me. Make them go buy clothes for me. The guy carry the money, buy clothes, and give me the remaining money. He say anything I want, he go do one for me. So that I no go the waka like this. What you want me make I help you? I say I need the electric wheelchair because this man not.
People knows that is not me. And this is like 3 years or more than, I think 3 years ago. The truth is that I gave him 100,000. So it's so unfortunate for him to say that I collect 50,000 back from him. That is so unfortunate. That's a big lie. That's a very, very big lie. I bought him a wish here and I gave him 100,000. How can you tell me I remove 50,000? I buy car for people, I give people millions. How will I give him 100,000 and collect 50,000 back from him? That is so painful. That's so painful. So it's a very big lie. The reason why I'm not really responding, I'm not taking it like because I felt like it's not, he has been saying it a long time like that, so I just left it be. Me responding to him is like me bringing myself out again.
This one is my brother. I see him for Lego. You are together. I help him, I carry him, go outside, go another side. Just because if he work out, if he do anything.
I ask myself, say, okay, when I get money now, what I feel do to stop all this waka when I go Lagos, I want to stop that kind of thing.
You see what the Koko Foundation talk now say he don't know why the guy they talk that kind of thing about him, Koko Foundation. This boy no blind. At least he know who give him the money. He know when you take collect him. Bless me. He know when you take collect him. So why you come talk and now say, say the guy still waiting they talk follow you. Oh, I will come say no whether you two they talk the truth. This guy cripple, you don't feel like. You don't feel like. So if not so now they do more and stop him, not good there. Cripple for that matter. They give him 100,000, you collect 50 for his side. You know, good. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. My Obonga people, I shocked her eyes when I hear this one. The thing surprised me. So now I can see, tell you now, say, Koko Foundation, I just disappointed. Like, if not truth, you don't do away at all. Cripple, they give him money, you still go collect 50,000 for his side. It surprised me. This life you not balance. So my people, what do you think for this video, my darling people? Anything you want to think, you want to leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come here when it's time again. And remember your one and only Lady J. Bye. Share this video for me. Share it and let the video go viral. Thank you.